One of the standout features of reverse mortgages is their flexibility, offering you various payout options tailored to your unique financial and lifestyle needs. We've previously discussed lump sum payments, lines of credit, and monthly tenure or term payments. Now let's dive into another possibility, the reverse purchase option. This option is designed to allow seniors to buy a new principal residence and secure a reverse mortgage in a single transaction. It's an excellent strategy for anyone looking to do the following: downsizing to a home that better suits your physical needs, with features like handrails, ramps, and wider doorways for enhanced accessibility. Upsizing to accommodate a growing family, providing ample space for children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren. Let's look to John and Mary as an example of the reverse purchase's benefits. John and Mary are ready to retire from the hassle of maintaining their large family home in its expensive yard, which they've lovingly cared for over 30 years. Their dream, a cozy, low-maintenance beach house under sunny skies, offering peace without the burden of a traditional mortgage in retirement. Their current home is valued at $350,000, and they've set their sights on a beachfront retreat, costing $250,000. By opting for a reverse mortgage, they secure $100,000 towards the beachfront purchase. Simultaneously, they sell their current home, netting approximately $335,000. Combining the $100,000 from the reverse mortgage with the $100,000 from the sales proceeds, John and Mary easily acquire their beach home. This leaves them with a substantial $185,000 in savings or investments, showcasing the financial and lifestyle benefits the purchase option can offer. It's important to remember, this simplified scenario does not account for closing costs, realtor fees, and other transactional expenses. However, it provides a clear illustration of how the purchase option can facilitate a significant lifestyle change in retirement. If you're contemplating a move, downsizing, or even upsizing to better suit your family's needs, the reverse mortgage purchase option could be your key to a more fulfilling and financially secure retirement. Explore your possibilities. This overview is just the beginning. Each journey is unique, and we're here to guide you through every step, ensuring you make the best decision for your circumstances. Contact us today to explore how the reverse mortgage purchase option can open the door to your dream home in retirement.